What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a fire sample trap beat for Drake all from scratch inside of FL Studio. I want to make something for his new album for all the dogs, you feel me? But yeah, I never sample on the channel, so I thought this could be a good opportunity to show you guys how I sample my beats and how I create them. So make sure to grab your laptop while watching the video, that way you can just like follow along and make some fire beats. So let's just drag that in there. What I like to do is just listen to the sample first and then tap out the tempo. So let's see if that matches. Right here, shift it a little bit. I know there's like different ways on how to sample, but I love to just like chop it up inside of the playlist and then just like flip it and rearrange it however I want it. And for the sake of the video, I'm going to pitch it up just to not get copyright strike. Shift that. Ah, it's beautiful. And we cut it right there. So let's grab this part and tempo sing that as well. This is in third step, so make that unique. What we are going to do is hit this button right here, and then we can stretch it. I like that. I'm using shortcut S to shift it and C to cut it and P to grab the pen tool again. Pretty decent. No friends in the it is true. My brothers, but my brothers many then and it. Let's add some chords to this to smooth it out. Oh, this beat's finna be so dirty, bro. I know what we're finna do. We're going to make two flips from this. So first off, it will start with this sample right here, and then we'll switch into this one right here. What I want to do right now is fade it into each other. This might have been the like easiest sample flip ever, but I hope you still enjoyed it. Let's take a listen to it. So it started off slow. The sample. Let's put some EQing on the master to bring out those highs. A little bit punchier. And it switches. As what's this? What's this? Oh, 21. Shit, yeah. I'll be outside, I'll be copy shit. Should be outside when shit. I'll be outside one day. Yeah. Two girls on my lap, I said dancing on the sink. I can trust her, dancing on the sink. Yeah, it's another thing. yeah, I can definitely hear Drake on this. I hope you enjoyed. Hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. That sounds weird. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate it. This tutorial showed you how to make like a sample Drake type beat. Although we just chopped it up inside of the piano roll, we still sampled it, bro. Anyways, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure to follow me on Instagram as well at Beats. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.